Hey there and welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to create a face recognition attendance system. I hope you already know what it is. In case you don't, you can pause the video and read this. I am going to, make it fast, code this fast. So to, create this face recognition attendance system in Python, you need to import some modules. The first one will be face recognition, the second will be CV2, the third will be NumPy as NP. As NP is not necessary, but importing NumPy is. Then CSV, then we're going to import date time, right? I guess that's all the modules you need to install, and you can install OpenCV with opening command prompt and typing this pip install OpenCV. Then face recognition with this pip install face recognition. Then NumPy with this pip install NumPy. Then CSV is probably a built-in module, so you don't really need to import it, right? But you need to import datetime. You can simply type pip install datetime in your command prompt to install this module. Okay, so now let's get back to our code. Then uh, we are going to open the video capture device. So video capture is equal to cv2 dot video capture, and we only want the first camera to open. So yeah, 0. Then load known faces. First, we are going to take alak image is equal to face recognition dot load image file. Then it's in the student folder and the name of the file is alak.jpg. Let me show you the whole folder first. Okay, so it's right here as you can see, students. There are three photos: alak.jpg, ishan.jpg, and varun.jpg. Right? Okay, so now let's get back to our code. Okay, so now after alak image, alak encoding is equal to face recognition dot face encodings, then alak image. Okay, so there are actually um, this function creates many encodings, but we want only one of them. That's why we've written this, because we only want the first encoding. Okay, so now we are going to do that with the uh, other two as well, Ishan and Varun. We're going to create their image and encodings. Now we're going to make a list of known face encodings as well as known face names, and we're going to give the names. You will understand why I'm giving these values later on. Okay, so now list of expected students. Students is equal to known face dot copy. Basically, students is equal to Alak, Ishan, and Varun. Now, face locations, it's going to be an empty list, then face encodings, then okay. Now we're going to get the current date and time. It's important for the attendance system. Now date time dot now current date is equal to now dot strf time, year, month, and date. Make sure to write Y in capital and M and D in small. Okay, then open CSV file for writing. Now we're going to open the CSV file, the file in which we want to save the details, right? So F is equal to open string current date.csv. ln writer is equal to csv dot writer f. Okay, now we're going to start an infinite loop to process frames from the video capture device. Okay, so while true, read a frame from the video capture device. Okay, so empty value frame is equal to video capture dot read. Resize the frame to 1 by 4 of its original size. We are basically going to shrink the size of the frame, right, for faster processing. Basically, so small frame is equal to cv2 dot resize frame. We're going to give the values. Okay, RGB small frame is equal to cv2 dot cvt color small frame cv2 dot color pgr to RGB. So we're doing this because we want to change the format from pgr to RGB. Okay, now recognize faces because yeah, face locations is equal to face recognition dot face locations RGB small frames. Face encoding is equal to face recognition dot face encodings RGB small frames and face locations. Process each face detected in the frame. For face encoding in face encodings, matches is equal to face recognition dot compare faces. Known face encodings, known face encodings. Face distance is equal to face recognition dot face distance. Known face encodings, face encodings. Best match index is equal to np dot argument. So here we are using the NumPy module for this. If matches, okay, so if uh, matches is in best match index, then name is equal to known face names best match index. Now we're going to add the text if a person is present. You'll see what we are doing here once the program is running. Okay, so if name in known face names, so if uh, there is name in known face names, then font is equal to cv2 dot. We have selected this font Hershey simplex. Then bottom left corner of text 1000, giving the location where it should, pop out. Then font scale is equal to 1.5, font color is 255, comma 00. Then thickness is equal to 3, line type is equal to 2, cv2 dot put text frame name present bottom left corner text font scale font color thickness line type. um, okay, so if the person is expected, remove them from the list of expected students. Yeah, of course. If the person is already present, we don't want its name on the expected students list, so we're going to remove it. So if name in students, we're going to students dot remove name. Yeah, of course. Then current time is equal to now dot strf time, hour, minute, and seconds. Make sure to take hour, minute, and seconds uh, exactly like I've taken them. Okay, so now ln writer is equal to write row name current time. Now display the processed frame with the text animations. Okay, cv2.im show camera frame. Okay, so basically frame is going to open, right, with the name camera on it. You'll see what I'm saying. Now check for the Q key to exit. So if you press Q while the camera the frame is there, it's going to shut down, right? So if cv2 dot wait key 1 and okay, so you don't need to understand these two lines of code because they're a little complex and you can use them as uh, you know a built-in code, you can say. Okay, so now release the video capture device and destroy all the windows. Okay, so this is the very important step. This is a very important step, of course. If you don't do this, the program won't run. So we're going to now close the CSV file. And the file is closed. Okay, yeah, so let's just run this program. You can see alert present. Okay, now you can see Ishan present. Now, okay, I don't know what's the case. Uh, yeah, now you can see Varun present. Okay, so now we are going to check the CSV file. Let's open this file. Yep, as you can see, Alak, the time is here, Ishan, and Varun as well. Okay, so I hope you understood this code I've written. I'll provide this code in the description. If you want to work with me, I'm free to do any freelance work. Check the description, every detail is given there. And bye.